Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program the Genesis G80 garage door opener. Press and release the Learn button on the motor head, then press the remote button you want to program within 30 seconds. Wait for the light or motor to signal successful learning, usually a click or flash. Test the remote from a few feet away and then from across the driveway to confirm reliable operation. Begin by standing beside the motor head and pressing the Learn button once to enter programming mode. Immediately press and hold your chosen remote button until the opener responds with a light flash or click, which indicates pairing. If you have multiple remotes, repeat the process for each one. Finish by testing each remote from different positions in the driveway to ensure consistent range and reliability for daily use. If the remote does not program, start by swapping in fresh batteries and retrying the Learn sequence promptly. For persistent issues, perform a factory reset to clear old codes and then reprogram each remote one at a time. Also inspect for radio interference from routers or other devices that could reduce range, and test with the opener door closed and open to compare signal strength and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.